Hi, this is David from Adventures in Aimland. Today I want to show you my progress with my Legion Secrets within 3 months of being in the system. So as you can see, I now have 12 people in my downline. In fact, there's 9 upgraded members and 3 affiliates. Affiliates are people who have stopped paying their fee, so they are still counted as affiliates, but they don't earn me money. So I have 9 upgraded members. In February, I only recruited 2 more people. And here are the commissions since the beginning. So in February, I've only earned $36 and $127 total. So for those who don't know what my Legion Secret is, my Legion Secret is a system where you get 100 leads per day, 100 leads that are interested in affiliate marketing offers, and you can mail them once a day. You have a built-in mailing system integrated into my Legion Secret. So you can send them 1 email per day related to a product in the affiliate marketing niche, such as ClickBank products, Wireplus products, or any system related to internet marketing. And you can also promote my Legion Secret to the leads. That's what I'm doing. I only promote my Legion Secret through my Legion Secret. It's my only source of traffic for that program. If you want to know more about my Legion Secret, you can see my other videos. I made a complete walkthrough of my Legion Secrets that you can watch. So that's it for today. If you like this video, you can leave a comment or make a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel. So bye!